Alright guys, here's the wave scan for October 5th, 2006. So quick look at the NASDAQ. It's like this should have been a gap. I mean, there was a really strong rally yesterday in the NASDAQ. There wasn't a gap, and that's what's really irritating. You know why? There's no gap? Because of this. Because of this. Oi. OIH. Because of this. People, this is a dead cat bounce. Okay, it's like, I tried to explain this yesterday. In 2000, the year 2000, there were stocks called B2B and fiber optic stocks. We all know what they are. Okay, Ariba was at an all-time high around middle of summer of 2000, and then it crashed. And then it had these little rallies in between that were very violent and very quick. And then after they complete these little rallies, they fade and they drop dramatically. So there's no bottom fishing here. Trust me. You don't want to bottom fish gold or oil. Trust me. Anyway, that's the reason why. Because they started to buy the dead cats. Like S&P here should be a big thrust upper 3. It's not. But who knows? It could happen at the close. I mean, as it's got the setup and everything, but it just went flat. Everything just went flat today. We gotta watch the end of the day. You never know. End of the day, there could be a follow-through thrust on the third wave. But I mean, I don't like it when the market closes at the highs and the gap down. It's just irritating because you want to follow through, nice gap through, follow through, and we never know. Anyway, Agamai. Yeah, I wanted to gap up this morning. It wasn't really, didn't get it. See, Akamai's in his little world. It's got a third wave, but it's very, very choppy, and it's hard to catch that one. No pattern. Under Armour. Again. Look at Under Armour. Ooh, Under Armour. Wow. That could be a new high. But it's so volatile that it's kind of freaky to trade. You know, it's kind of scary to trade it. Yep, that's a new high. I think it's a new all-time high. Let me verify this. Yep, new high. Good old Under Armour. Okay, back to business. Google. Okay, Google was my favorite to trade for a while until I got into a fight with them. I want to explain details, but the stock, it's got a nice strong impulse off the lows, 10-day lows. I'm looking at the 6 month because this could be. I love trading it. I mean, it's a big mean stock, and options with it is simple. Well, I shouldn't say that, but I had a fun time trading it. It's got a long way to go. It's got to take out 427, the top of the B. If we can take that out, it has a shot at higher highs, or at least the top of the gap, or around 452. Actually, the top of the B is 452, so it's still got a long way to go. No, that's not true. No, top of the B is around 427. Remember that day. Okay. Yahoo. I don't know why I'm looking at this. Is Yahoo gonna make a comeback yet, or no? No. Amazon. Let's see if it followed through. Yep, it did. Pattern break, and then kaboom. I should always stick to the internet. So the semis, EMAPs, just. Okay, NTLI. Okay. Can't even read that. CHK. Okay, boy. Dead cat bounce in these stocks. Wait for another setup inversely. Because I don't believe in this crap at all. At all. Alright, Hansen. 4. NEM. Money. 4. GG. 4. I'll have to look. 4. Apple. Gappy. Gotta take out 77.77 again. This might be hard though. CHRW takes out 45.8. Could be a good shot at a 3. Could be. CHRW. 45.8. Sial. Very sideways. Garmin. GRMN. I bet you has a 3. Had a pattern break. It's following through. I mean, it's like a 4 before a 5. Yikes. Alright, CTSH. A lot of these stocks in the WaveScan aren't in the little ebook I have. The ebook that I made, I think either at least half of them or more are different third wave setups. It's great. It's a great book. I mean, I was thinking about putting it into a poster board or taking it to Kinko's and making it really cool. But anyway, you gotta buy it because it's got some stuff that you'll never know. You'll never see it. All right, Costco. Yeah. Rim. This is what I should have bought. I'm kind of gonna hit myself because I know these semis don't really have that much power behind them. But look at this. Can you imagine buying right here? Pattern break. 6-point move. ESRX. No pattern, upward 4. Clack. Boom, boom, boom. Amen. See, it could still have an upward 3, but it just, when you're like going really slow and choppy and really annoying, then you really don't want to stick around. You want to buy something better than that, like a rim. Like a rim, which I should have bought. Rim is so much better than AMAT. SQLS. Ooh. It's not a 3, it's like a 5. Don't get too excited. Broke the pattern, but it's very choppy. See, what I don't like in an upward move is when it's so choppy that it's unbearable to watch. So I watch the charts really closely, like every trade. Because when there's a good third wave, like when there was last winter, there was a Google third wave, and everything was smooth and beautiful. You gotta, I bet you rim. See, look how smooth the rim is. This is what you want in a third wave. Smooth, like that, really nice and smooth. But you don't want this choppy crap. Alright, PETM. So this is a slop and chop. FASV. Sloppy, choppy. Let's say 4 before 5. A lot of these guys win WYNN. Things that if there's a third wave attempt, man, I'm not really seeing much that's really good. I buy the Qs again. Qs, diamonds, spies. That's what I'd probably do. Alright, X-ray. No pattern. NVDA. The rumored takeout. It's like Intel knows it's going to form a third wave, so they're trying to buy it before the third wave happens. Shh, quiet. PCAR. Some of the stuff I just don't like. It's just so low volumes. Yeah, I might rearrange this wave scan. Even though the stocks are bad, I'm looking for liquidity and smooth waves. If you don't get that, it's crap. It's a wrap.